So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. We are doing a series of 10th class mathematics. As a part of this, we are now in the chapter applications of trigonometry. We are dealing with the problems of second exercise, which are very important for 4 marks. I have already told you. Let us directly get into our class by doing some important problems. Each and every problem is important here, Nana. You focus on the model of the problem, okay, not the values. Okay, right. Let us see here. The third question I am going to explain you now. That is, a statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. So see here, Nana, let us think. First of all, you try to understand the question. So for suppose there is a pedestal, Nana. On this there is a statue. Okay, on this there is a statue, and if you observe from a point on the ground, there are two angles of elevations. That is, one is the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, and the other one is angle of elevation of the top of the statue. Angle of elevation of the top of the statue now. Okay, so what are those two angles? Let us write here. So one of them is, that means the top of the statue is, this is 60 degrees completely, and the angle of elevation to the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees now. So you need not draw a figure in this manner. You can simply draw it with lines. Okay, now let us try to draw again just by using the lines, and we'll be taking some points here. Okay, now so let us think. This is the point of observation, and this is the base of the pedestal, and this is the top of the pedestal. You can think, let us take here, this is the top of the pedestal, and this is the top of the statue. He has given top of the pedestal height is 2 meters now. Okay, right. Here the angle of elevation is 45 degrees, and here the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay, so let us take this point as C and this point as D now. Now you need to find the height of the statue. You need to find height of the statue. Let us take this as X. Let the height of the statue be X now. So I have already told you here it will be 90 degrees. Okay, first of all take the triangles and name the sides, and then you can choose the trigonometric ratio whatever it is required. Okay, so see here, for angle this is the opposite side. Okay, and in the other side also we have an angle 60 degrees, and X is the X plus 2 will be the opposite side here. X plus 2 meters will be the opposite side. So take the triangles in such a manner. You have, in each triangle you should have what, Nana? That is right angle, and also you see the common side in both the triangles. You see the common side in both the triangles. AB is common for ABC and also ABD, Nana. ABC and also ABD. So first let us start with the smaller triangle. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, Nana. So see here we have opposite side, and you need adjacent side, Nana. You need adjacent side. Let us think this is some distance D, Nana. Let us think this as some distance D here. Why? Because the observer is at a distance D from B. You can think here. So in ABC we are talking about opposite and adjacent. So what ratio you need to take? You need to take tan ratio. Why? Because tan theta is equals to how much? Opposite by adjacent. So here in place of theta we have 45 degrees. So tan 45 will be opposite. Opposite is nothing but 2 meters. You can write just 2, and by adjacent side is D. You have taken that one. So what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1, which is equals to 2 by D. Now what is D from D here, Nana? D is equals to 2. Let us take this as equation 1. You got one value, that is D, Nana. You got now this as D. Now you take the other triangle ABD. You take the other triangle ABD now. Okay, in triangle A, B and D. In triangle ABD, what angle you need to take now? That is tan 60. Why? Because here also you have opposite and adjacent ratio. Okay, so tan 60 is equals to how much it will be? This opposite side is x plus 2. This is x plus 2 by, and the adjacent side is 2. No, adjacent is 2 here. So what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is nothing but that is root 3 is equals to x plus 2. Root 3 is equals to x plus 2 by 2 now. X plus 2 by 2. Now you simplify this one, you will get 2 root 3 is equals to how much? X plus 2. 2 root 3 is equals to x plus 2. From this you can write it as x is equals to 2 root 3 minus 2. 2 root 3 minus 2 here, and if you further simplify you can take 2 as common. This is 2 into root 3 minus 1 meters. 2 into root 3 minus 1 meters. So this is the height of the statue. If you want to further calculate, take the value of root 3 as 1.732. Okay, what is the value of root 3, Nana? Root 3 is equals to 1.732. From this you subtract 1, that will be 0.732, and you multiply with 2 here. 2 into 0.732, you do it, then you will get perfect answer. I hope you have understood this problem. Let us get into the other problem. Okay, Nana? If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. Just for your understanding, I have drawn this figure. You can draw it linear also. You need not show statues or pedestals or mountains like that. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my class, please do like it and share with your friends. Okay, the next question is, from the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. So see here, here we have two things. The first thing is tower and the other one is, so you can take the other one as building. Okay, you can take the other one as building here. From the top of a building, so let us take this line as horizontal line. That is the horizontal line. If you don't watch my first video of applications of trigonometry, do watch it, then you will understand what is horizontal, what is line of sight, everything. Okay, here, from here the angle of elevation is equals to 60 degrees and angle of depression is 45 degrees. It seems angle of elevation is 60 degrees and the angle of depression is 45 degrees. So what you need to find here? If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. If the distance is equals to 7 meters, you need to find height of the tower. So this is the tower, so you need to find height here. You need to find height now. So let us take this one. Let AB be the building and CD be the height of the tower. Take one more intermediate point, that is E. That is E now. Right. So see here how to find out now. If this angle is 45 degrees, this angle is also 45 degrees. Why? Because both becomes what, Nana? Alternate interior angles. Why? Because the horizontal and the ground will be parallel to each other. So first of all, you take angle here, or else you can take the triangle EAD also. So let us take each and every case. If this is 7 meters, this also will be 7 meters. So first of all, I am doing in triangle AED. In triangle AED, you don't require this one. In triangle AED, this is the angle. This will be the opposite side and this will be adjacent, right? That will be the adjacent side. So take tan ratio here. So tan 45 degrees is equals to how much? That is equals to ED by AE. Opposite by adjacent, right? So what is ED? We you don't know this one, ED by AE is nothing but 7 and tan 45 value is 1 nana. So ED becomes how much here? ED is equals to 7. Let us take this as equation 1. Okay. Next, take another triangle, that is in triangle, take the top triangle now. Okay. Take the top one. So in triangle AEC now. In triangle AEC. So adjacent is 7 and opposite you need to find here. Again you need tan ratio. Tan 60 degrees is equals to how much? That will be opposite, means CE by adjacent AE na. Tan 60 is equals to root 3, which is equals to CE by AE. AE is equals to how much nana? 7. AE is equals to 7. What happens now to CE? CE will be 7 root 3. This is equation 2. CE is equals to how much nana? 7 root 3, which is equals to, okay, that is equation 2. Actually what we need to find here, nana, we need to find the height of the tower. So you can write here the height of the tower is equals to this completely. CD is the tower. So CD is equals to how much nana? That is nothing but CE plus ED. CE plus ED. What is the value you got for CE? CE is equals to 7 root 3. This is 7 root 3 plus ED is equals to 7. ED is equals to 7. Take 7 common. This will be root 3 plus 1. Okay. So the height of the tower will be equals to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters. If you want, what you can do here? Take the value of root 3 as 1.732 and you add 1 and then you multiply. Then you will get perfect answer. Even if you leave here, the answer is correct. Okay now. I hope you have understood this one. If you have any doubts, you do comment in the comment section. I'll try to explain again. Right now, let us go for other problem. That is like a wire of length 18 meters had been tied with the electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. If you have seen some electric poles, there will be a rope nana for giving support to the pole. Okay. So that is the case here. Let us think. So see here nana, this is an electric pole and it is tied with the rope. Okay, it is tied with a rope which is making angle 30 degrees and its length is 18 meters. The length of the rope is 18 meters. It is given. Okay. A wire of length 18 meters had been tied with electric pole at angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Because it was covering a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. How much length of the wire was cut? How much length of the wire was cut? So see here nana, it is occupying too much space here. Right now. So in order to reduce the space, what they have done is they have cut the wire at some point and they have tied such that here the angle of elevation is equals to 60 degrees now. Okay, they have tied such that the angle of elevation is equals to how much? 60 degrees. Clear? So we need to find what is the length of the rope which has cut. Okay, not the original rope length now. He is asking what is the length of the rope which has been cut. So that is the case. So see here let us take the electric pole as A and B, the first point as C and the second point as D nana. Okay, so you need to take two triangles, each must having 190 degrees and you should also see what is the common side. So if you take ADB and ACB, here the height of the pole will be common, right? Height of the pole will be common here. So take both the triangles and take the values of h, then you equate in both the cases, then you will get the answer. Here the case is you need to find the hypotenuse nana, not opposite or adjacent. So you should see what we can do here. So in triangle ADB this will be hypotenuse and this is opposite side, and in triangle ABC this will be opposite and this will be hypotenuse. Okay, so in that case you will be doing the problem. So in triangle, first take the bigger one, A, B and C, A, B, C. So it is a relation between opposite and hypotenuse. So what ratio you can take here? So you can take sine ratio, that is sine 30 is equals to opposite that is h we have taken, and by hypotenuse, that is 18. That is how much, Rana? 18. What is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2 and it is h by 18. So from here h will be equals to 18 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are. H is equals to how much, Rana? 9 meters. So height of the pole is equals to how much, Rana? 9 meters. You got one thing. Okay, now what you need to do? You need to take the other triangle. In triangle ABD now. In triangle ABD. So again you need the relation of opposite and hypotenuse. So what ratio you will be taking here? Again you need to take sine. But what is the angle now? The angle is 60 degrees. So which is equals to opposite is h by hypotenuse you need to find, that is AD, no? That is AD, you can think like that. So what is sine 60, Nana? That is simply root 3 by 2 which is equals to h. H is 9 by AD. So what will be AD now? AD is equals to 9 into 2 by root 3. 9 into 2 by root 3. So AD is equals to 9 2s are how much, Nana? 18 by root 3. 18 by root 3. Okay, we got AD value. But what is our question? What is the length of the rope which was cut? So some part will be cut here now. You need to find this part, length of the part which has been cut here. So what you should do? From 18 just subtract this one. Okay. So you can write here. So length of the rope which has cut is equals to how much, Rana? So this will be the longer, lengthier one. So from 18 you need to subtract 18 by root 3. From 18 you need to subtract 18 by root 3. Okay. So if you simplify this one, this will be 18 root 3 minus 18 by root 3 which is equals to again 18 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Okay. That is the case. If you want even still you can simplify, Nana. That is 18 can be written as 6 into 3 and root 3's are you can cancel like that and you can write the answer. But now this is enough. So what is the length of the rope cut, Nana? That is 18 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. If you want, I have already told you. So take the values and you can simplify that one. Okay. Right. I hope you have understood this one. If you have any doubts, you do comment in the comment section. Okay. In the coming classes, we will be discussing some more important problems which are very, very important. Okay. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like the class, please do like it. Let us meet in our next class with some more important problems of applications of trigonometry. Thank you for now. Bye.
Familiar.